Hey guys, I'm doing all the HackerRank Java problems on this channel, so you can find a link in the description box to all the problems. So let's take this problem today. So we are given an input integer and we must determine which primitive data types are capable of properly storing that input. So what they are saying is that we are given an input integer like -150. So we need to tell them which primitive data types are capable of storing the value of -150. So the output will look like this. So -150 can be fitted in short, int and long, which means short, int and long primitive data types are capable of storing a value -150. So this is what we are dealing with. So here they have already given one example for byte. So what they have done is they have taken the input integer x and they have checked if it lies between the maximum and minimum value of integer that can be stored on byte. So there is for every primitive data type there is a limit. So for byte it's from -128 to 127. So if you know the limit of every primitive data types, that's great, but we can also use something which is already present in Java, and we can directly print out the maximum and minimum value of primitive data types. So what we'll do is that we will copy this part, and so for byte they have already done, and we need to do for short, int and long. So what we'll do here is that for the minimum value we will say sh short dot capital mean underscore value. So what this mean value will do is that it will print the minimum value that short primitive data type can store, and for the maximum value we will write short dot max value underscore value. So this short dot max value will print the maximum value that a short data type can store. So and here we will say it is short. So for the rest of the data types we will copy this part, and here in place of short we are going to write integer. We are going to write integer for int primitive data type, and we just need to change the values here. So let's check it. So it's correct. So thank you so much for watching. Peace.